In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort and filter tasks in Asana so you can organize your work efficiently. By the end, you'll know exactly how to surface the right tasks at the right time without digging through a long list. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading into the project that contains your tasks. Make sure you're looking at the task list for that project. If you have multiple sections or a lot of entries, don't worry. Sorting and filtering will help you make sense of it quickly. Look toward the top right of your task list and click the Sort option. This is where you can arrange tasks by due date, assignee, or custom fields your team uses. Sorting by due date is great for prioritizing what needs attention soon, while sorting by assignee helps you review workloads or delegate effectively. If your team relies on custom fields like priority or stage, sorting by those can give you a clean pipeline view. After you choose a sort, Asana will reorder the list, and you may see additional options like ascending or descending depending on the field. From the same area, click Filter to narrow the list based on specific criteria. Filtering is ideal when you only want to see tasks that match certain conditions, like tasks assigned to you, items due this week, or tasks tagged for a particular initiative. Use the assignee filter to focus on who's responsible, the due date filter to hone in on timeframes, and tags or status to concentrate on themes and whether tasks are incomplete or complete. You can apply more than one filter to zero in on exactly what you need. As you apply sorting and filtering, your task list updates instantly to reflect your choices. This is especially helpful in big projects where you want to reduce noise and keep only the most relevant tasks on screen. You'll notice indicators at the top reminding you which sort and filter settings are active, which makes it easy to understand why certain tasks are visible. If you want to return to the default view, simply click Clear Filter or Reset Sort at the top. This removes any criteria you've applied and restores the original order. If something looks missing after you've been organizing your view, checking for an active filter or sort is a quick way to troubleshoot. That's it. Using sort and filter together gives you a fast, reliable method to stay on top of your work in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.